Hi guys, it's me, Ref, and this will be my first video here on YouTube because I have to tell you something. Something happened in my life, in our lives. We have finally become unprofitable. Yeah, you heard right. We have become unprofitable. Oh man, fuck it. I am making this video right now because I am in this phase of trading where you think you have become profitable, and by thinking you have become profitable, you will get greedy and overconfident and lose it all. You will give all the wins and profits back to the broker, to the markets, like I have done the last 2 weeks. Big story short, I am into binary options for 7 months now. I went to a mentorship. I put in every day the work, the hard work. I went to the demo account. I went to journaling. I did everything, and I was from the beginning on not a bad trader. Even before mentorship, I was able to turn $150 into $2,700 in like 3 weeks. And I was this smart enough to withdraw the profits, and with these profits I was able to buy my mentorship. So I bought that mentorship, quit the trading, and went to all the technicals and all the videos from my mentors and all the tasks he gave me to complete. And then I went to the demo account, and I was starting from the beginning and implementing good habits and not on focusing money, but everyone tells it, you have to build on good habits and not to focus on money, but we're all in to make money, and yeah, that's why we are not making money, because we're too focused on making money. And this paradox I am living right now in, or maybe also you, um, this is the best roller coaster I ever went in. So back to the story. I was always able to turn like a $50 into 1,300. When I came to this mark, I had this one bad day where I gave it all back, where I blew it all because of bad emotions, bad mood I was in. So I swear to myself right here on this place in the forest with my dog in the sun. Here I came always, by the way, to reflect. And yeah, I came here and told myself, now the next time you came over the $1,000 mark, you are going to withdraw the profits. So I finally got to the $1,200 within a week by pushing on the good habits and trading well with correct risk management, etc. But I was able to came on that mark, and then I said, yeah, now I am going to withdraw that profit. So I flew to Spain for holidays with my girlfriend, and when I was there, I tried to withdraw it the first day, and they denied my payout because I changed the location, and they want to verify that I am myself and not somebody else. And so I had to upload a selfie, and they had to approve it. But the approving time was always like 24 to 48 hours, and so yeah, I ended up with the whole money in my account, the 1,300, and I couldn't withdraw them. So what I did in the holidays, I traded a little bit, and I was able to gain with that little bit of effort and a little bit of trades. I was able to make like a $150 a day. So after a week of holidays, I turned that 1,300 into $3,000, and I tried the whole time to withdraw the profits. When I hit the 1,500, when I hit the 2,000, I tried to withdraw, but they always denied because the selfie was not clear, the selfie was too dark. Then they sent me a sample of the how to do the selfie in a correct way. So I did that, and then it finally played out. And when it played out, it was the day after I burned the whole 3K I was making with trading in holidays. And yeah, then yeah, I was very sad because I was up to 1,000, want to withdraw it, but they didn't let me. I went up to 2,000, and withdrawal don't work. I went up to 3,000 and then blew everything. And when I blew everything, the broker approved my withdrawal possibility. So when I was 0 in the balance, I could withdraw, but yeah, I was very sad because I was in the holidays with my beautiful girlfriend, sitting on a rooftop with a cocktail. Everything was perfect, but me inside, mentally, sad, sad about the big loss, about the loss from all the hard work I've put it in, just because my fucking broker wanted to withdraw my profits. So I cleared my mind. I took a day off. I started again with 30 or 50 bucks, raised it up slowly to 1,000, and before coming back home, I was able to withdraw my first profit of $1,000, and I said yes. Then what I did the next day I traded again, and I was able to turn another $500 into $2,500. And when I was there, I withdrew my profits of 2,000, kept the 500 on the broker, and then I did a day off and did reflection, and I thought, oh man, this was the second withdrawal. Now within a week, I must become finally profitable. And then what I did then was going back, opened my laptop and traded again. It was again able to turn $50 into $1,300. Again, I did a withdrawal from $1,200. And I thought to myself, wow, now you are the man. You're making like every day like $1,000. You withdraw it to your account. It's yours. Nobody can take it away. I thought so. I become that overconfident. I became that greedy that I lost now all the 4K I made 2 weeks ago. I lost it day by day because I was chasing the money. I was chasing for more. I thought I am the best, but no, the market shows you that you're not the best. And yeah, that's why I'm making this video. This is the journey I am in right now, but I am smiling. I'm smiling the whole time because I have money. I sold my business lately. I am living in paradise with clear air, clear water, clear nature. I have a dog, that's perfect dog. I have a beautiful girlfriend. I am disciplined. I have everything. I'm living the dream life right now, even without a lot of money. Yeah. So this is why I have time now to continue my journey, and this is why I'm making this video, telling you and telling me that we can make it. We make it. There's no question. We're gonna make it. And I know in a few years I will be big, and I have some ideas. I have some visions about myself, where I am at in 1 to 2 years. And yeah, I will like to take you with me on my journey. I will prove you that I can make it, that I am going to make it, even if I'm right now break even, even if I'm right now have lost it all, even if I'm right now burned so much effort and so much energy into that one specific topic, trading. So never go up, never give up, guys, never give up. We're never going to give up. Peace, guys. We see us in the next video.